Hey guys, it's 2020 and you guys are still putting your money in your savings account? What the hell are you guys doing? Today I want to talk about 3 places where you can put your money instead of your savings account. And by 3 places, I mean 3 growth stocks that will be sure to get your money moving upwards. So if you haven't been living under a rock, then you probably know that everyone in the world right now is playing PS4 or the Xbox.
Man, what the hell are you guys doing?
Or either they're watching Netflix, but that's not the point. The point is, the PS5 and the Xbox are coming out this Christmas, so everyone's throwing out the PS4. The real question is, who's in charge of building some of these processors for the PS5 and the Xbox?
But I want a PS4, not a crappy Xbox.
Well, I'm about to tell you because this stock is blowing off the roof right now.
Blowing the roof off!
Like, it's growing like crazy. And that stock is called AMD, Advanced Micro Devices, okay? It's pretty hard to find a PS4 and Xbox right now anywhere from Best Buy or Walmart. You probably have to go and buy off Kijiji. So just imagine when the PS5 and Xbox come out. The PS4 alone sold about 102 million units. AMD has won the rights to sell Sony and Microsoft their chips. So their chips contain of either the microprocessors and the APUs, which will be both used in both PS5 and Xbox. AMD is honestly going to rocket at this point, just because of the amount of sales and how much revenue they're going to be making, because people are going to be buying the PS5 and the Xbox. It's very in demand, and a lot of people are looking forward to it, especially now with this new the Call of Duty Warzone, Fortnite. And so AMD, its revenue, fourth quarter revenue was about $2 billion, and their revenue till date is $6.73 billion. And their debt is only at $728 million, but they have $1.5 billion in cash. So they're not going to be in bankrupt anytime soon, even during this virus. So it's one of the only stocks that have been making it through this virus, and it's definitely a buy. The analyst ratings are all a buy. So it's currently priced at $56, and its 52-week high is $59. So it's really close to its 52-week high. And honestly, its PE ratio is 187, which is totally super overvalued. Like, I'm buying it just because I know by Christmas time this is probably going to touch about $70, maybe even more, right? So yeah, that's one of the stocks to look out for, especially if you're a gamer. You probably know how great these devices, how great these processors and microchips are. Next stock we got that's a high growth stock is PayPal, ticker symbol PYPL. And who doesn't know what PayPal is, right? You try to buy anything online nowadays, it will always have an option to buy from or pay from PayPal. And it's honestly been around for almost like 6 to 10 years now. I don't remember exactly, but it's been around ever since I started buying things online, so why not, right?
We also accept PayPal, Venmo.
It's honestly one of the largest digital platforms that provide money transfer and payments. And cash payment nowadays is dead. Like, digital payments is the future. It's the way to go. Almost everything you're using now is digital. Your debit card, your credit card. PayPal is safe, so most people avoid using their credit cards. So they rather just do it straight from PayPal, because PayPal is something they trust, right? The future is going to cryptocurrency, believe it or not. So everything is going to be digital, and I strongly believe PayPal is the next growth factor. It's already had a 20% growth over the last couple years, and 90% of online retailers allow you to use PayPal. It had a $17 billion revenue till date. It has $10 billion in cash, so it's not going bankrupt anytime soon. And in 2019 alone, it had a total revenue of $18 billion. So right now the price is ranging from around $117 to $118, and its 52-week high is $124. So there's still a chance for you to get in, although it is a little bit high. but that's what a growth stock is, right? You're always gonna catch it on the upside. It's hard to time a growth stock, right? So it's better to get in right now. I think maybe in the next 10 years, it's probably gonna reach about $300. So get in while you can. The next stock I got over here is Norton Antivirus. Ticker symbol NLOK, and anyone knows what Norton Antivirus is. If you have owned Windows or Microsoft computer, then you probably most likely have downloaded that Norton Antivirus or Kaspersky or McAfee. But Norton Antivirus is the go-to. It's probably known by almost anyone that has any expert in the technical field. Anyone that's a tech geek, they know about antivirus, and that's Norton. So it's a popular go-to brand for antivirus, virus protection, firewall, VPN, ad block, and payment protection, right? And I personally use it on my computer. I use it on my cell phone, especially because I'm always buying and selling things, and I got a lot of my bank information on my phone, so I trust Norton Antivirus, and I've never been hacked in any way. And the reason why I make so much money is because it's subscription-based securities. Most people renew their antivirus every year with the same company, which is Norton, and they don't bother going out to look for another antivirus because it's already done the job. So you pay to play pretty much with Norton Antivirus, and it's already got 50 million subscribers. So just imagine that. And especially with everyone working from home, firewall security and just virus safety in general is pretty important these days, because I believe a lot of people are going to be working from home even after this virus. So why wouldn't they buy the one that's advertised the most? You go to Best Buy, you go to Future Shop, you go to Walmart, you go anywhere, you're gonna see that yellow box right in front of you, and most people are gonna choose it. And they have a good marketing skills. If you look at the box, it advertises itself perfectly, so it's free advertising for them anyways. Right now it's priced at $21, which is super undervalued, especially for the fact that they make $4.7 billion in revenue. So $21 for that is nothing. Like, this is a go-to growth stock. You buy it and you wait on it reach at least $50, right? And their 52-week high was $28.70, and right now it's priced at around 21. So after this virus, it's definitely, you at least make $7 per stock, right? And their debt is only about $4.5 billion, and the cash they have on hand is $12.7 billion. So they could easily pay off their debt if they wanted to. And this is a fair debt to equity ratio, so I wouldn't be too worried about them going bankrupt anytime soon. So make sure you check these stocks out and let me know. And thanks for watching my videos, guys. I'm trying my best. I'm gonna have more videos coming for you guys, so pay attention.